Apple will begin rolling out its new generation of iPhones later this week, and it's getting ready by increasing prices. Specifically, Apple is going to charge more to replace a broken screen, and not only on the latest and greatest iPhones. All the company's phones from the last few years will now cost you $20 extra if you need a screen replacement. Plus, some phones now cost more if you want to add the premium warranty service. Apple neglected to actually announce the price increase, preferring instead to simply update its iPhone service pricing webpage with the new prices. This appears to have happened sometime over the last week, but users didn't notice until last weekend. For the smaller iPhone 6s and 7, a screen replacement runs you $149, up from $129 a few weeks ago. The larger Plus phones are getting more expensive as well. Instead of a $149 screen replacement, the iPhone 6s Plus and 7 Plus screen replacements now cost $169. These same prices apply to the upcoming iPhone 8 and 8 Plus as well. The pricing is the same regardless, whether or not the shop you visit has one of Apple's fancy Horizon screen repair machines. Although, you do need to use an authorized repair center if you want to keep your warranty intact. Like Apple itself, these stores will only do the screen replacement if that's all that's wrong on your phone. Any other issues, and you've got to step up to the other damage tier, which is $300 to $400 for a complete device replacement. It's often cheaper to go with an independent store, but Apple will deny future service if it can tell you've done that. iPhone owners who step up to the premium AppleCare warranty don't have to pay the full price for screen repairs. These folks only paid $29 for their first two screen replacements. This plan used to cost $129 for all phones, 2 years of premium support. Now, the larger Plus variants cost $149. All of these prices are for regular iPhones. We don't know what Apple is planning to do for the upcoming iPhone X, which starts at $999 for a 64GB model. That's by far the most expensive iPhone ever released. Apple has confirmed that AppleCare will run you $200 on the iPhone X, so it's a safe bet to assume screen replacements will be at least somewhat more expensive as well. The parts will certainly cost Apple more. This phone will have an Edge OLED display, marking the first time Apple has moved away from LCD. Let us know how likely are you to recommend Extreme Tech.